In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download, install, and launch the TradingView desktop app on your computer. To get started, open any web browser on your PC or laptop. You can use whichever browser you normally prefer, as long as it allows you to download files. Once your browser is open, go to tradingview.com/desktop. This is the official TradingView desktop download page, and using the official website is important so you know you're getting the correct and most up-to-date version of the app. When the page loads, look for the download button that matches your operating system. If you're using a Windows computer, click Download for Windows. If you're on a Mac or Linux machine, choose the version that matches your system instead. Make sure you select the right option before continuing, since each operating system uses a different installer format. After clicking the download button, your browser will begin downloading the installer file. On Windows, this is typically an .si file, and on Mac, it's usually a .dmg file. Depending on your browser settings, you may see the file appear in your downloads bar, downloads folder, or in a notification area. Wait for the download to finish completely before opening it. Next, run the installer file you just downloaded. On Windows, you can usually double-click the .msi file to start the installation. On Mac, open the .dmg file and continue with the installation process from there. If your computer asks for permission to make changes or verify the app, go ahead and approve it so the setup can continue. This is a normal part of installing desktop software. Now follow the on-screen setup prompts to complete the installation. The installer will guide you through the process, and in most cases, you can simply review the options and continue through the default setup. If you're given installation preferences, choose the ones that best fit your system, then let the installer finish. This may take a few moments depending on your computer. Once the installation is complete, launch the TradingView app from your desktop or applications area. After the app opens, sign in using your TradingView account. If you're already registered, just enter your login details. If not, you can create an account from within the app. After signing in, you'll be ready to start using TradingView on your desktop with a more focused and dedicated workspace. That's it for this tutorial. You've successfully downloaded, installed, and opened the TradingView desktop app.